Hi everyone, recently we've launched a brand new integration on our platform, Canva. Are you tired of manually uploading assets and juggling design files? Well, the Canva integration can help automate asset uploads, bulk create designs, and organize content with folder-based workflows directly within Autohive. To get started, you'll just need to set up the integration for your agent. So I'll go ahead and demo that. Hop into your integrations page of your workflow, your workspace, and find the Canva integration. From here, you can connect it to your workspace and allow the permissions from your Canva account to be connected to your Autohive account. I've already created an agent called Canva Manager, so let's go ahead and use that for our Canva integration that we're going to demo. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off with what can you do to just see what capabilities it has. So I'll go ahead and list all the capabilities and actions that it supports. So there's a whole bunch of things. It can do design management, organize folders, do some asset management. It's also got some pretty smart features. For this demo, I want to also demo the asset management side of things because I think it's a really cool feature. So let's go ahead and tell our agent I want to organize my Autohive assets and files into one folder. Cool, and then we'll go ahead and start listing the Canva designs and assets for me, just to make sure that that's the dedicated ones that I want to organize. Great. It's put it in a folder called Autohive, which is exactly what I want. So I'll move it into the folder. Cool, there's quite a few designs that I've got. So it's done that, which is awesome. Now I'll go ahead and just check my Canva account, which I've got here. If I just hop into my project section. Cool, awesome, it's got that folder here, which is great. So instead of just trying to search for it here, I can just go into my folder and grab all the assets and the designs, which is pretty awesome. Let's also search via tags for, let's say, images of logos. Cool, found a whole bunch of logos, and let's say that I want to pop this into a folder as well. Oh, I can also export the logos as PNGs. Actually, I do need that, so let's go ahead and try that out. Cool, and it's going ahead and exporting all the designs. And it'll also check the status of the export as well, which is really helpful, especially because I don't have to go ahead and go back and check where I can get the logos from. So now it's just outputting all the logos for me that I can simply download as a PNG onto my computer, which is really, really helpful. And there's quite a few, there's about 8 sponsor logos, 2 of these ARW logos. So I'll go ahead and let it do that. Cool, okay, it's gonna keep going. It's got the track day logo as well. Cool, there you have it. So it's done all the logos that I can go ahead and download. So let's say I want to go to the track day logo. So I'll go ahead, see that. it's pretty cool. It's got the white text there. So if I go ahead and download that, let's call this track day logo and save it to just my desktop for now. Cool, that's all saved. So yeah, that's pretty simple. It's quite cool that we can do that. The other pretty cool neat thing you can do with the Canva integration is you can also go ahead and design, organize your design creation as well and export that. So we can also make designs on here. It's basically a blank page. I will go ahead and demo that. So let's say create a design for me. Cool, it's asking me what kind of design I want. So let's just say I want a whiteboard. Oh, actually, we can go ahead and do document instead. And the name of this is my project. Let's just leave it blank for now. Awesome, so it's made the document for me, which is pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and click edit in Canva. Cool, so here it is, which is exciting. So yeah, those are the main features that you can do with the Canva integration. You can automate your asset management, automate your design management, create designs and export any of the designs and assets that you have within Canva. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more integrations that we launch. So yeah.